Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Discord not opening with error code. The application was unable to start correctly. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is dism space / online space / enable features space / feature name dot columns netfx3 space / all and press enter. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. Type a command is dism space / online space / enable feature space / feature name dot columns wcf http activation and press enter. After that, type a command is dism space / online space / enable feature space / feature name name feature name dot columns wcf non http activation and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a control panel and go to your control panel. Go to your program and features. After that, click on a turn Windows feature on and off, and after doing this, that check it the Net Framework 3.4 as well as Net Framework 4.8 and click on OK. After completing that, restart your computer. After restarting your computer, I'm sure that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your Windows update, and after doing this, that click on a update history. And after updating a history, click on uninstall updates. Click on it and uninstall the recently updated install updates. Click on uninstall. So after completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this, that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.